I am sending my intention to release division within the mind, the heart space. I'm sure I'm not the only one that could use a bit of assistance with this. As I gift myself time in nature and feel my nervous system aligning, I'm grateful for these opportunities in my day, the space to do so, the awareness to do so, and for these beautiful birdies that are supporting as well with their presence, and the sun and the water, the kelp floating in the distance with the mountains. Just as we acknowledge these details, the song of the bird, I begin. Ko tania shania ho pokohone, kohone ha kotone ka larena ha. Yes, sing along. Kototoya mahane he kototoya, kahane he kototoya. Mokolea te hina kaya na kala lene, leashana ha. Koloroshinaya mohone, pokote ane he pokone, nalerene. Mamanyane hina ha kotone, no shadine. Dashamani bone bakashama hiata, no kolorone. Dalesha moho, coloration ho, kotone, kotodone, coliente, kotose, moko. Piante he, mohone, bakane, kalarene he, boko, koshana. Coloroshana ha, takone, disante he na ha, kotone, mosiamane he. Mosonodoya mahaniatina, kotodone, koho. I recognize that each of us, regardless of beliefs, wish to thrive in joy and prosperity. We may find the mutual way to that point. We can choose it at any time. Pototone he nakataniante, dantiantina ha katante, nesantina ha katante, poshatiata.